Hello. Good morning to you. How are you? Good.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you too. So probably you guys are wondering what is happening with my life and why am I not uploading videos. Actually, I got coronavirus and the last couple of days have been kind of hell to me. Been down totally, but well, thank God I'm responding to medicines and currently I'm getting better. I'm about 10 days in, actually 9 days. Today is actually my second day to move out of the house. It was just too much, so I was like, okay, let me try to go pick up something to eat. I also don't want to really connect with so many people. I don't want to really expose them to the virus, so that's why I actually have to sanitize. Just a moment.
Sorry for the ice cream, it's still hot. I didn't know that.
Yes, okay, thank you.
There's no ice cream.
So with this pandemic, it's all our responsibility to keep ourselves safe and also other people. And that's why it's very important that even when you move out, you maintain the standard operating procedures like masking and sanitizing and a lot more things. Otherwise, you guys, I'm happy I'm getting back on the road and I'll be so happy to actually push out more videos and we see how this goes.